Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to add a background image to a scene in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So all you need to do is just click on 2D scene, and again I'll just move this a bit so that you guys can see, and inside node 2D you can just take a sprite 2D. Don't directly drag and drop your image, that is a bad practice. Soon you will run into limitations. Then here I have few assets, so I can just drag and drop this background image which I have inside this sprite 2D on this sprite 2D, and here you can see it has automatically displaying my sprite. But here you can see this is the viewport, right, or this part which we will see when we run our application. So it is not correct. So for that you can just go to offset and disable, uncheck this centered, and here you can see I'm able to see it. Now it up to you how you want to really show it. If you want, you can just drag this as well or keep it as it is. So it's up to you how you want to say do this. I'll just quickly save this as a node 2D or whatever you want to save it, and run your current scene. And here you can see the background has been displayed inside our image. So yeah, it's up to you how you want to display it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.